Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. A survey of 500 girls of a school was conducted and it was found out that 190 girls like soft drinks while 310 dislike it. Out of these girls, one girl is selected at random. What is the probability that the selected girl does not like soft drinks? So we have total girls equal to 500. Girls who like soft drink is 190 and number of girls who dislike soft drink is 310. Now we know empirical probability is given as number of favorable trials divided by total number of trials. In this case, total number of trials is 500, and out of them random girl is selected. So probability of girl who does not like soft drinks is going to be 310 by 500. Probability that selected girl dislikes soft drink, it's going to be equal to 310 by 500. This is the answer.